Hello, good morning everyone. So once again I am back with another video, and this is directly regarding the concern about higher education, that is PhD. A dual award is ongoing, a new course for the PhD in public health directly from in the collaboration of University of Arab Emirates and KU University, Catholic Universities live in. In this basically what is the requirement for the admission, enrollment and the fees, what will the institution, supervision, duration, so that all the part will be covered in this. Regarding dual PhD and dual PhD degree in public health, this will be directly in the collaboration of Leven as well as UAE. And regarding the Leven, this is the highest ambitious PhD. This is for highest PhD, ambitious PhD candidates, and it is basically recommended because of it's one of the Europe highest ranked and most renowned university. So that is pioneer institution research for higher quality of education. Regarding the program objective, I have provided that the link for the both of the universities, so you have to go through that website and directly reach out for your supervisors over there, and you have to suggest that on which topic you want to do your PhD. So the first came for the scholarly inquiries. So develop your own scholarly inquiries grounded on the research and practical experience in the discipline area. Likewise, basically I am working in the respectful maternity care. If you want to work in antimicrobial resistance, directly for the second line medication in the tuberculosis. Apart from this, if you want to work and implement some of the strategies in nutritional background, or specifically for the SAM or anything, whatever you can be, what is the area of your choice, so you have to develop that part and you have to reach out to your supervisor regarding the inquiry. Apart from this, rigorous discipline based knowledge. Basically discipline based knowledge is likewise key innovation and the knowledge preparing specifically for which you are going to get that you have to add on in your uh, parts that which you are going to submit your supervisors. Apart from this, in the course that you will going to get that your all the guidance and is specific for your research building capacity, and that the knowledge will be molded in this. After likewise rigorous and innovative discipline based knowledge, the supervisors will help the student in for succeeding the global challenges that which you have put in, which you have developed in your scholarly inquiry, which you have reached out for your supervisors. So on that background it will be helpful. The third points come for professional growth and leadership. The basically very most important part for this professional growth and leadership capacity. In this course, after going through this, this will enhance the professional growth, lifelong learning skills, leadership competencies in a specialized area of diverse career opportunity. That if I am working for the field of maternal health, or if you are working in the field of communicable disease, or if you are working in the non-communicable disease, in that specific era you will be got a great guidance and the development of leadership qualities. So the basic things come for the last one is that key adherence to the professional ethics. So if in whatever era we are working, so the ethics is most important part. If you are writing a research paper, then ethical criteria has to be followed over there for greater implementation and successful. So this is the likewise key, whether we are doing the PhD, whether we are doing master public health or any of the course, or whether we are in the project, so we have to follow that any of the professional ethics which has been developed specifically for that criteria. So integrity and research ethics has to be maintained, demonstrating commitment to the values related to the area of specialization. Guidance will be given on that. So the last part comes for the think tank. Likewise, thinking and development of modules on that background. Likewise, the basic concept of epistemology is triple Y method. So in this background, the criticality of thought process and communication will be enhanced. So basically, this is offered by the collaboratory by the both of the university. Each institution will provide you a separate certificate for the PhD completion, supervised by professors or from the both of the universities. Supervision will be over there. So on that background, it has been said that to reach out for the supervisory inquiries at the both of the universities leads to the award of the dual degree. So basically mutual agreement will be done with the both of the universities. On that background, the certificate will be awarded. Regarding program learning and outcome, synthesizes new knowledge. So in this, engaging in original research using advanced concept and method of public health, data collection, analysis and interpretation will be done. So evaluating health related needs. So basically implementing of any of the research in the at the very ground root level. So first we will everyone is going to be evaluate that health related needs. What is the need of that program, why it is needed over there, so before implementation. So that we have to defend in the research committee. After that it will be going to be get the approval. So in this, assessing major health related needs, concerns and trends using public health concept and methods to improve the human health. The third comes for critical analysis of determinants. So biologically, occupationally, environmental, socio-economic, behavioral and other determinants which are impacting on the human health. So that all the part has to be critically analysis has to be done. So after all this process, we have to develop that effective strategy to implementation of that project at a very ground root level. So the program learning will give in this dual degree. So designing effective communication policies and strategies for promoting health and preventing diseases. The last one, evaluating dimension of public health. So this dual degree will give knowledge and perspective how to evaluate that legal, ethical, economical and regulatory dimension of public health. So program details requires meeting admission requirement of both institution. So the criteria, admission criteria which has been asked from the both of the university, that needs to be fulfilled for the both institution. Compliance with academic regulation of the both institution. Likewise it has been asked for master public health, master degree in public health qualified. Apart from this, English proficiency has been asked. We will discuss that as well. So that all has to be compliance, that all has to be completed, so that we will be eligible for this application, applying for this. Single dissertation satisfying that requirement of both institution. So in one dissertation, that has to be satisfied for the at the both institution. Individualized agreement for each student of the course has to be provided. So research opportunity, that once again that the same thing is coming over here. So allows innovation in a wide range of public health research area. So independent investigation under supervision of experienced supervisor from the both of the universities. So utilizing recent development in public health. So basically whenever you are going to do a systematic review in the public health, so you analyze that the trends on which the research paper on the same topic and that has been done. So you will be going to assess that as well with the trend of the last, whatever you are taking that criteria for the 10 year or 15 year. So whatever will be your topic on that in the specific topic, so utilization of recent development in the public health has to be done over there. Emphasis on meeting challenges and providing innovative solution. If RSTM is providing a fund for malaria, so likewise the same thing has to be done over here. Ki how you are going, how your this research topic is going to meet that challenges which is occurring at the very field level, how it going to be uh, how this implementation of your study is going to provide that solution specific for this. So basically program regarding the program duration, so minimum 6 months of training has to be done at the both of the institution, and normally 4 to 7 year of the PhD has to be done. Flexible duration based on agreed requirement from the both of the universities. Completion of completing lead to two separate certificates as well. After completing this, all these requirements, so the certificate will be provided from the both of the institution. So benefits of this program directly enhances the academic training and research experience of doctoral candidates. Students will have access to the facilities, resources, professors, and research environment of the both institution, giving the doctoral candidate the full benefit of international experience, which we are not getting at India level where we are doing the PhD. Supervision allows complementary approaches to research question. Student will also gain knowledge and experience from research group of both institutions, that is cross learning. Learn to be mobile, be willing to mediate between two supervisors who may have different institutional priority to able and adopt so culturally different approaches on the same research question. Guidance will be given from the both of the supervisor. So benefits of the program: enhance academic, that the same thing is coming over here. You will be having the access from the both of the institution, libraries, resources, that all this accessories will be provided regarding which is needed for the research implementation, even for the implementation or your for your research paper, that all support will be provided. So of course networking opportunity will be provided at an international level, because you will be able to collaborate with research and doctoral students from the both of the university. Regarding eligibility, privilege to participate in dual PhD degree is extended to a student with a record of excellence, as well as complete requirement of the both institution. The link has been provided for the detailed version. You can go and see over there. Previous research experience is required, likewise some of the knowledge on this background as well as your implementation level. Preferably engaged in active collaboration between partners institution. From the both of the institution you have to collaborate actively. Whatever will be the one of the university will be provided from these two university, so you have to complete 1 year in the doctoral program at the main institution. Can alternatively can be recruited by two supervisors from partner institutions as well. So candidates should have previous research experience as well as evident from like basically publication records in the specific area which you are providing over here. And qualification should also be met over there. Apart from this, normally you have to complete that 1 year at of the doctoral at any one of the main institution. After receiving like we see confirmation from potential supervisor at the both institution about their willingness to jointly supervise to you, the student need to be applying appropriate authorities at the two institution as well. Regarding application process, you have to discuss with your both of the supervisor over there at like basically both universities. You have to check out and receive the confirmation on the mail, so they will be they are agreeing to jointly supervise you in your duration of your PhD. Apply to appropriate authorities at both institutions, likewise application form after the confirmation. Standard admission procedures and deadline, that both the details has been given in the website. Reach out over there. Regarding academic requirements, not the academic requirements regarding some of the experience of research publication in that specific field, and that the details we have to meet that criteria as well. So regarding the admission process, additional courses and research assignment may be requested by either of the institution. A student need to be admitted to the doctoral program at the both institution. Minimum requirement for this is a relevant master degree with excellent grades and meeting the English proficiency requirement as well. And dual degree agreement will be signed for the both signed for each applicants, and degree will be earned from the both of the institution. So exemption from fees at the partner institution may be specified in the individual agreement. Doctoral student need to register at the both of the institution. Registration is required. uh, Enrollment fees are typically paid only at the main institution, and the second institution will be waived off. Additional cost for research periods, conferences, PhD defense will be determined in the mutual agreement in between supervisors. So regarding research institution and partner institution, so mutually you have to give your 6 month at minimum 6 month you have to give at the both of the institution side. So the duration, as we have discussed, that 4 to 7 year, each student will have a supervisor at both institution. Advisory committee need to be formed at the end of the first semester, likewise when you will serve that first 6 month. Duration may be adjusted in agreement with the both institution. So additional requirement, at least one accepted international peer reviewed publication. So on this, basically whenever we are coming for the master public health in the during the course, so in the last in the fourth semester that we are submitting our thesis, and based on that thesis we will be publishing any of the research paper. So we have to focus on that publishing that research paper in peer review journal only. So that will give the additional benefit over here. So regarding this participate in the meeting, that all will have to be done. So thank you. Let's apply for this. Let's see who is going to be selected for this. Till the time, take care. Bye. Thank you.